to call people by nice way and with softness. Don't be tough for them. This is what Allah Azza wa Jalla told Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, a prophet teaching his ummah. If people, they know wisdom everywhere, especially for Muslim people, it will be like paradise. But they are not knowing wisdom and they don't want to learn wisdom. Wisdom learned by way of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and his Sahaba, and after his Sahaba there is follower Tabi'in and follower of follower Taba' Tabi'in. This follower meaning the Awliya Allah, there is tariqat, way of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Tariqah meaning way. There is 41 tariqah, all going to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And this tariqah, they are teaching softness, the wisdom, and how to deal with people. If you're not with them, so some people coming, they're teaching you opposite of this. No wisdom. They are teaching also to be tough, to not be good with anybody from your religion or other religion. They teach you to be enemy for them, to hate them. This is not good. What Prophet teaching, opposite of this. And Awliya Allah also same. Once there is famous Awliya Allah from Balkh, his name Shaqiq Balkhi. He is famous, he was trader and he was traveling and Allah gave him hidayah in some way. Hidayah, he was good, but he was following more dunya, and when Allah gave him something to show him right way, he is still doing his business, but with knowing it is not target, it is only way to help people, to help Muslim. Once he was with his friend when he was young. He has many friends going around with them, and once he saw a temple for Majusi meaning while they are worshipping fire. And he said to his friend, let's go here and see what happened here. They went inside, and it was one young man, very nice looking, handsome, and he was worshipping fire. And when he see him, he can tell him, oh, what are you doing? He said, I am worshiping. And he said, this is not real. Come to Islam. For this young man, he said to him, what you doing, it is not good. No benefit from this. And when it happened this, young man, he slapped him in his face. And he think, oh, I deserve this because my sin too much. I cannot, it's not effective for this. So I am not real. I don't have this, but he kept he not getting angry, he was good, and he looking for himself. And after this, he forgot this, he was going with Mashayikh, and he learned many things from Sharia, Islam, everything. When, after many years, maybe 20 years, he also was going with a friend, and he said, this also temple, let's look what here. And he going inside, seeing one old man worshipping fire. Told him, oh, what you do, it is not benefit for you, come to Islam. And he said, okay, teach me Islam, and he make Shahada, become Muslim, this man. And after he remembered, he said, there was one here, young man, for many years. What happened for this young man, he said? He said, this is what, young man, I am same one. He said, oh, you remember, I was coming here with a friend, and I tell you, and you refuse to become Muslim. And why now you accept? He said, that time you come, you don't have any light, but when now I saw you, you are all have light, and you have power from spiritual power. Quickly I surrendered and become Muslim. This is very important when you are calling somebody to good thing, to way of Allah. You must have wisdom. You must be patient. You must be good attribute. When you are here like this, everybody he accept many people. But if you are just quickly, you want after 2 days from coming to Tariqah, you must teaching people to come to Tariqah, they will run away. You must first teach yourself and to train your ego to be not up top of you, it must be under you. And after this, people will be happy. And you must have also knowledge. If you don't have knowledge, if they ask something you know real, you can answer. But if you don't, you can say to them also, I don't know this. This is also giving good thing for people, because to say something not right, make from beginning a wrong thing happen. So when it is wrong thing happen, the people, they cannot be benefit from you. As we said, the most important to have wisdom, to have patience, and to be honest. Inshallah, our people, if they are little by little, they can, inshallah, make people to come to right way. Because way of shaitan, many people, they are running there. If they goes wrong, way of shaitan wrong, the people running after wrong. But if you are way of Allah Azza wa Jalla, need more work, need more effort to bring people to be careful and to teach every good thing, inshallah. Allah help you and help us, inshallah, to be in the right way. ومن الله التوفيق. الفاتحة.